Today we learn one of the most important concepts in consumer behavior, which is the consumer decision-making process. Whenever we buy something, whether it is a car, a smartphone, a laptop, or even a coffee, we usually go through a series of mental steps before making a decision. आज हम इन 5 stages को simple examples के through समझेंगे. Now, before we go to the 5 stages, let us first understand why this concept is important. Firstly, it is one of the most commonly asked topics in marketing and consumer behavior exams. Secondly, once you understand these stages, you will start noticing them in your own shopping decisions as well. हर परचेज के पीछे कंज्यूमर का थॉट प्रोसेस होता है और ये मॉडल हमें वही प्रोसेस समझाता है. Before we discuss each stage, let's look at the complete process in one glance. The 5 stages are problem recognition, information search, evaluation of alternatives, purchase decision, and post-purchase behavior. Think of this as a roadmap that consumers follow from realizing a need to evaluating their purchase after buying. Now, the first stage is problem recognition, or what we also call need recognition. This is where the buying process begins. A consumer realizes that there is a gap between their current situation and where they want to be. For example, your laptop has become slow and is no longer able to handle your assignments efficiently. At that point, you realize that you need a new laptop. Now, this need can come from an internal trigger, such as discomfort or hunger, or needs can come from external triggers, such as advertisements, social media posts, or even a friend's recommendation. जब कंज्यूमर को लगता है कि मुझे कुछ चाहिए, तब डिसीजन मेकिंग प्रोसेस स्टार्ट होती है. Coming to the second stage, which is information search. Now, once the need is recognized, consumers begin searching for information. They look for products, brands, and solutions that can satisfy their need. For example, if you're planning to buy a laptop, you may search on Google or watch YouTube videos or compare specifications and even ask friends for suggestions. Now, information can come from 2 sources. Internal search, which means you would use your previous experiences and memories, and external search, which includes websites, reviews, word of mouth, advertisements, and influencer marketing. Generally, जितना एक्सपेंसिव या इम्पोर्टेंट परचेज होगा, उतनी ज़्यादा इंफॉर्मेशन सर्च होगी. Now, stage 3 is evaluation of alternatives. After collecting all the information, consumers compare the different options. Therefore, this stage is known as evaluation of alternatives. For example, while choosing a laptop, you may compare the price, battery life, storage, performance, and brand reputation of different brands. हर कंज्यूमर का इवैल्यूएशन क्राइटेरिया अलग हो सकता है. किसी के लिए प्राइस इंपॉर्टेंट है, तो किसी के लिए क्वालिटी या फिर किसी के लिए ब्रांड इमेज. At this stage, reviews, ratings, and comparison charts can significantly influence the final decision. After evaluating the alternatives, the consumer is now ready to make a purchase. This is the stage where the actual buying takes place. The consumer chooses a specific product, brand, seller, and payment method. For example, you may have selected a particular laptop, but a better discount or faster delivery option may influence your final choice. You need to remember, purchase intention और actual purchase हमेशा same नहीं होते. Last minute factors also count to change the decision. The process does not end after the purchase. Consumers evaluate whether the product has met their expectations or not. If the product performs well, they are likely to feel satisfied, leave positive reviews, and also recommend it to others. If the product doesn't meet expectations, dissatisfaction may occur. This may also lead to cognitive dissonance, which is a feeling of doubt after making a purchase and wondering whether the right choice was made. इसी स्टेज में कस्टमर लॉयल या डिसलॉयल या कस्टमर लॉयल्टी या कस्टमर डिससैटिस्फैक्शन डेवलप होती है. Now quickly, let's revise the entire process through the 5 R's. The first one is recognize, where you recognize the problem. Then second stage is about research, which is information search. The third stage could be remembered as rank, where you evaluate the alternatives. You then make the purchase in the buy stage, that is purchase decision, and then the reflect stage, which is the post-purchase behavior. Now here's an important exam tip. Whenever you're asked to explain the consumer decision-making process, don't just write definitions. Always include a particular example for each stage. Examples show application of concept and can also help you score better marks. As a quick activity, think about the last product you purchased that costed you more than rupees 500. Can you identify all the 5 stages in your own buying journey? So that is consumer decision making process and its 5 stages. Understanding these stages helps marketers understand consumer behavior and helps consumers make better decisions. Thank you for watching the video. In the next video, we'll discuss another important marketing concept in the same simple manner. Thank you.